Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. So it's been long since I last showed you a haul. Now I have a client who ordered for these dresses, and they are specifically maternity dresses and they are free dresses. She is non-pregnant, but she wanted something that is free because it is too hot. It is too hot, so she's traveling. I did not make her, I did not take measurements because they are free. So I just did a standard measurement. So I was like, why not? Because I chose nice material, nice prints, and I feel like it is really nice, so I should show you these. Now the first dress is this free dress. It is really free. Actually, it fits me well and everyone there. So it is free. It is extra large, and I can make it in different sizes. I love the prints. Now, one thing I've realized about African prints, anything with red, it's just going to kill it. So this is the first dress that I made for us, and the sleeves are, it's like a kaftan, but it is short. Actually, it goes up the knee length, and yeah, it also has a pocket. I hope you can see it. It has a pocket, so of course you're assured your phone, you can just move with your keys, your phone, and yeah, you're free to go somewhere. Let me turn it and you see the back side of it. Now this is the back side. Now this is the back side of this dress, and I feel like it's nice. It's really nice. So if you want, I can also include for you a belt. I did not make a belt for her because she did not want them or it, but yeah, it is free, real free. So you can also use a basic or other belt, specifically black, for to elevate your look, but she wanted a free thing. So I'm going to show you the second one and see how it looks like. It's one of my favorite, but I'm going to show you which one is my favorite. It looks so cute. This is the second dress. Actually, this is my favorite. The prints, the design, well, she chose the designs. I just chose for her one design because I feel like we're doing the same, almost the same design, so we decided to change here and there. So this is my favorite out of the 4 dresses, and this is a free dress. Now this one has got so many details from the print. It's kind of busy. She needed something with a lot of green. However, I did not find like the pure green that she wanted, but I opted for this because it has a lot of green in different shades. So we have this. I told you this is so detailed. It is on the knee. The length is up to the knee length, of course, and she's brown. She's brown. I can't wait to see her fit into them. So it has these details. And I feel like it gives everything. Like, I posted something, a teaser, and she was like, I love this. Like, I love this. So it has these details. You have to really take your time when you're making these, because these ruffles, because they have to be equal. Okay, so the sleeves are basic, of course, but baggy, and this is how it looks like. So if you want something baggy, something big, something free for this weather, of course, this is the best dress for you. Like, just order, I make for you these dresses. So this is how it looks like, and this is how she wanted them to look like. Now behind, it looks like this. You can put of course you can put a belt if you want, but I feel like it really looks good without a belt. Either way, it can look good. I think you can see that, but according to what she wants, of course, this looks better and good. Now it has a zipper, of course, for easy opening and wearing and all that. So it has a zipper. It has a round neck, like you can see the neck is round, so it has to be with a zipper. The sleeves, they are basic, but of course cute. Now this is my favorite one, really my favorite one. So yeah, let me show you the third one. Now this one, in terms of materials and prints, this is my second one, but let me show you. Now I made something quite smaller than those 2 that you've seen, and this looks like this. It has green too. It has a lot of green, but this one we went like with different sleeves, because the first 2, they had the same sleeves, and the materials, the designs that she sent, they had all the sleeves almost were the same, and I feel like it was boring. So I spoke to her, and she was like, do anything as long as it's nice. And yeah, so I did this. Now this one is a bit smaller than any of the 3 dresses that you've seen or you're going to see today, but this one, the sleeves looks like this. They are kind of dramatic. I've not ironed yet. I'm going to iron so that these ruffles are sit properly, but it has to be like this. Now I tried this dress with a belt, and it was looking cute, it was looking fine, but she wanted it in a free size. So I'm going to ask her. Of course, I made for her a belt, and I'm going to ask her when she comes. If she wants the belt, of course she will go with it. If she doesn't want the belt, we shall go with this. But I want to show you this dress. It is a maternity dress. Let me show you behind and see what I'm talking about. So this is how it looks. This is how it looks behind. I just did a V front and back. Now the back is kind of small or short, and this is how the sleeves look like. I just pray she loves them because I did something out of her comfort zone, but I'm sure she's going to love it. The material is perfect. This is a Hanningtex. I only use one material, the one that I started with, that is latex, but everything else, it is Hanningtex. Okay, so yeah, this is how it looks like. Really, it's nice. So make your orders with me. For this dress, I tried putting now this dress I tried putting a belt just to show you how you can rock it, just in case you don't want to wear it in a baggy state. Of course, you can change and wear it with a belt, of which I feel like it really stands out. I love the neck, I love the sleeves, I also love the length, and you can wear this with sneakers, you can wear it with heels and a simple clutch bag, and of course you're good to go. Tell me what you think about this dress, because for me, honestly, I love it. I love it. This is my second favorite, and the prints are to die for. Like, look at that, guys. Look at that. It looks really, really nice. I'm just waiting for her to come, at least to convince her, because she has to see it like that. It looks really nice. It looks nice, and definitely I'm making myself one dress like that, because I realized actually my style is changing, and of course I cannot be making for people designs yet. For me, I don't make for myself. So that is the third dress. I'm going to show you the fourth one, and we shall be done. And guys, this is the fourth dress, and nothing basic about this dress, starting from the material, from the print. I love the red, I love the yellow, like the color combo is really perfect. Now this is the largest dress I've made, but it's because in the designs that she sent exactly like that, and it was really big, and it looks really, really good when it is big. I love the sleeves. Look at the sleeves, guys. They are big, baggy, they are kind of long. It is a 3/4 sleeve, and here it has actually a zipper behind, and it has a wide neck situation, and it is a high-low dress. You can look at that, you can see that it is a high-low dress, and I really, really love it. This is how it looks like. It comes, and here it is high, and then there it is low. This is exactly how it was, and I can't wait for her to rock this, because actually I think she looks exactly like the dummy. She's brown. I'm not so sure about the length, but it is nice. And guys, for that case, I'm thinking of making myself such a dress, because why not? Like, really, why not? So that is the fourth dress. That is how it looks like. Let me organize this and I show you. Well, so tell me you can't rock this dress. So you can rock it when you're pregnant, you can rock it on an event with a high heel or low heels, and anything you want, but it looks nice. Like, look at that, guys. I can't wait for her to see this. I can't wait for her to try on this, because actually I tried it on and it was looking so perfect. I love it. I really, really love it. So that is the fourth dress, and I hope you liked it. So tell me which one is your favorite and which one is your least favorite. So if you want such dresses and other clothes, of course, you go ahead and inbox me on my Instagram. I'll check my lab, or leave a comment. I'll be giving you the details, and of course we do business. Well, at the back it looks like that. Yeah, that's how it looks like. It is plain, it just has a zipper, and that's what we have for today. Okay, so that's it. That's what I had for you. That's what I had for you for today. Like, that's what I had for you today, and of course you like the video.